Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all something I did real quick. My wife and I have been getting more and more recommendations for books, and so I decided to make a little more room for them. This is the bookshelf that I have been working on. I had these old 1x8s just laying around, and I cut them down to size so that they would fit in the space over our bed. And I sanded them, and my brother gave me a torch, a little propane torch, that allowed me to burn this design on there, just bringing out the wood grain. And I think they turned out so cool. I've got to get some more brackets because I still got 2 more shelves and I ran out of brackets. I don't know where the rest of them are. Let me know what you think.